Yo, what is up everybody? Let me tell you something, I am so stoked for this one. We're about to break down the top 10 travel tips that are going to change your whole world. Not literally, of course, but after watching this video, you'll be itching to get out there and explore every corner of this crazy planet. Get ready to become a travel pro because these tips are pure gold. Let's do this thing.
Alright, first things first. Before you even think about booking that flight, you gotta do your research. I'm talking deep dive into the destination. Understand the culture, the language, what makes it tick. Trust me, showing up clueless might fly in some places, but most of the time, it's the fast track to awkward encounters and missed opportunities. Get to know the place before you go, show some respect, and watch how much richer your experience will be.
Listen, I get it. You want options, but trust me on this, less is more. The last thing you want is to be that person struggling with a mountain of luggage while everyone else is breezing through the airport. Pack only the essentials, versatile clothing, comfortable shoes, and ditch the just-in-case items. You can buy almost anything you need on the road. Remember, the lighter you pack, the freer you are to move, explore, and chase those spontaneous adventures.
Here's the thing. No matter how meticulously you plan, things will change. Flights get delayed, weather throws curveballs, and sometimes you stumble upon a hidden gem that throws your whole itinerary out the window. Don't freak out, embrace it. Stay flexible, be open to last-minute changes, and watch how those unexpected detours often lead to the best stories and most unforgettable experiences.
Speak the language of respect. Look, you don't need to be fluent, but learning a few basic phrases in the local language goes a long way. Greetings, thank yous, simple questions. It shows respect, breaks down barriers, and locals will appreciate the effort. Plus, you never know what amazing connections you might make just by saying hello in their native tongue.
Go local, ride local, ditch the taxis and rental cars whenever you can and hop on that local bus or train. Public transportation is not just budget-friendly, it's a cultural immersion experience in itself. You'll rub shoulders with locals, get a feel for the rhythm of the city, and discover hidden gems you wouldn't find on the tourist trail. Plus, it's way more sustainable.
Ditch the hotel, live the experience. Look, I'm not saying hotels are bad, but if you really want to experience a place like a local, ditch the fancy resorts and opt for more authentic accommodations. Hostels are great for meeting fellow travelers. Guest houses offer a taste of local life. And Airbnb can give you a home away from home. You'll save some cash and get a much richer cultural experience.
Listen up, food is not just fuel, it's a portal into the soul of a culture. Ditch the familiar fast food chains and dive headfirst into the local cuisine. Hit up street vendors, try regional specialties, and don't be afraid to ask locals for recommendations. Your taste buds and your Instagram feed will thank you.
Write your story. In the age of smartphones and social media, it's easy to forget to actually document our experiences. But trust me, years from now, you won't regret taking the time to jot down your thoughts, impressions, and memories in a travel journal. It doesn't have to be fancy. Just a few lines a day can help you relive those incredible moments and share your stories with future generations.
Stay sharp, stay safe. Look, the world is an amazing place, but it's also important to be prepared and stay safe. Keep copies of important documents, share your itinerary with loved ones, and be aware of your surroundings. Don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it, and trust your instincts. A little caution can go a long way in ensuring a smooth and enjoyable trip.
Open your mind, change your world. Traveling is about more than just checking off destinations. It's about opening yourself up to new experiences, perspectives, and ways of life. Embrace different cultures, challenge your assumptions, and be open to learning from the people you meet. The more open-minded you are, the more enriching and transformative your travels will be. Adventure awaits, and that's a wrap! We just dropped some serious travel knowledge on you. Remember, the world is out there waiting to be explored, and with these tips, you're ready to conquer it like a pro. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, drop a comment below with your own travel tips, and subscribe for more epic adventures. Until next time, safe travels.